In this ever-changing and challenging business world, we have all got a particular set of goals or challenges in mind that we want to make a success of, such as adopting generative AI, succeeding in a new role, accelerating innovation, figuring out agentic AI, managing economic instability, and the list goes on. The key challenge starts with quickly identifying any blind spots that can cause nasty surprises down the road. Once blind spots have been removed, you then need to validate and measure strengths, followed by identifying and measuring any weaknesses. That will also identify the threats you can control, and last but not least, deploy opportunities related to your specific weaknesses and threats to get where you need to be. We created SuccessOf.ai to make this whole process simple, straightforward, and highly accurate. Here is how. For each business challenge, we created a template, and each one is an expert launchpad for success. They are arranged by function or business challenges and can be easily found by entering search terms or using the filters. To start ensuring you make a success of your target activity, just select the relevant template launchpad and click Start Responding. You will be taken to the first responder screen presented with a positive statement that you simply select a level of agreement with or mark it as unsure. In this generative AI launchpad, there are a total of 16 statements to respond to. Note that you can click on the question icon for guidance if required. Once complete, you instantly get a summary dashboard. At the top, you have the launchpad name and banner image together with a summary score and description. Then an expandable card for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Expanding each card shows a list of the items with clear descriptions. When you are ready to take action, you can select to remove blind spots or weaknesses. Clicking on Manage and Remove Blind Spots, you are presented with each item that you responded unsure about during the self-assessment. This enables you to consult others or do some research so that you can select a level of agreement and, by doing so, remove the items as a blind spot. When you return to the summary screen, you will see a progress update in the blind spots section showing how many blind spots have been removed. Clicking on Start Leveraging Weaknesses, you are presented with a list of opportunities in the form of recommended actions that will address each of your weaknesses. Each one can be project managed by changing its status. You can even choose the type of action you prefer, such as leveraging technology, training, changing your processes, etc. When you return to the summary screen, you will see a progress update in the weaknesses section, showing how many weaknesses have been removed. Thank you for listening, and please visit us at www.SuccessOf.ai to search for your Launchpad template and start implementing positive change within minutes.